keep the gun tucked up. Body too fat, make me neck one broke. 4 or 5 gal and out of all black. 4 or 5 gal and out of all black truck. Shawty tryna fuck with me, I said you had a
Hi besties, hi besties. I'm done with cleaning. Now I'm just chilling in bed, scrolling on my phone. I'm just gonna go through TikTok, and it's so early in the morning. I think it's 8 something, but it's 8 a.m. But 8:40 something, 8:30, 8:20 something there, and yeah, I'm loving my nails. I love them so much. I love them. After doing my nails, I felt like a girly. No, not immediately, ne? But in the process of doing them, like at first, like when I was waiting for the nail tech to finish the other customer, I waited. Then it was my turn. I finished at around 7 something p.m. And then I was waiting and I was like, during the process, I was not feeling good. I think, guys, I lost the spark of doing good things for myself. Even me, like, convincing myself to go do these nails, ne? It was so hard, man. Like, it was so hard. I had to force myself, like, girl, do good things for you. Take that money and go do your nails. So I literally lost the spark of taking care of myself, the spark of going out. Not that I don't have money. I don't have money, but if I want money, I could get it at any time, you know. But I lost the spark of doing good things for myself. But now that I have these on and they look good on me, I'm finally getting there again. And I'm loving these, hey. I am loving these. Please don't mind the noise. They are cutting grass. And yeah, guys, basically that. So I'm just gonna scroll through TikTok because I was fasting on TikTok. I was fasting on TikTok for like 2 days because I wanted to be a true believer of Christ, not just posting and scrolling. You know, the doom scrolling kills me. So I'm installing TikTok now on my phone. Just gonna scroll on TikTok and yeah. I'm gonna go bath and make some TikTok videos. So yeah, guys, this vlog, I want it to be the best vlog I've ever vlogged. I guess that, but I do have the best vlog here. But yeah, guys, basically that, yeah. I don't think y'all are gonna bath with me, but I think y'all are gonna get ready with me. And I just want to get into the habit of bathing early and getting ready. Like, get ready even though I'm not going anywhere. Even though you're not going anywhere. And guys, when I say I lost the spark of taking care of myself, I loved necklaces so bad. Like putting on a necklace, I loved it. But lately, I hated putting a necklace on. I loved doing my lip combo, putting a lip liner, lip gloss, or doing like lip liner, some color gloss or lipstick, something like that. I loved doing that. I loved taking care of myself. I loved styling my hair. I loved my hair. But now I'm hating it. This depression, hey. Ingenze ngazizonda, ngazinyanya. Like hang. But I'm back at it. Money or no money, we're gonna take care of ourselves, okay? Okay, girls. Please don't mind this pongo Sam. Please don't mind. Because I have asymmetrical face and I'm filming with my back camera. Okay, guys, enough with the yapping. Thank you, guys. Bye. Besties. I am done bathing. And yeah. So I just want to matoho aka man. Matoho aka. They are dry. Guys, you see, this lotion lasted me. I used it like for 2 months. 2 months and a few weeks. Mind you, I bought 2 of this. I haven't started using the other one. And yeah. Nakona aqedza ukuthi bengiboleka make ngale and yeah. But they really lasted me, hey. I do last year in my foot. Mainly because I don't put lotion on my body every day. There are days where I just feel like nah, I'm not putting any lotion. Or if I'm wearing long clothes that are not gonna reveal that my skin is a little bit dry. Yeah, but my skin hardly gets dry, hey? It hardly gets dry. So it's basically that, guys. But there are days where I feel like it's too dry. But like this lotion, I used it with a lot of people because I remember when I went to the pool, I took this with me. I took this with me and I borrowed strangers. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna take out my glasses. So I'm trying to look. Let me fix my bonnet first. I'm gonna go to the shop now, but I'm just gonna put something here because I don't want to show my full naked unless I'm here at home, you know. So yeah, guys, this is a toner. I'm just gonna tone the face. I'm just gonna start with my face. Toner really helps the face, hey? It really does help the face. So I'm gonna go to the store to buy some few snacks and then I'm gonna come back home. The store is just today. When I come back home, scroll on social media for like a good 1 hour and then I'm gonna do something productive after that. And I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. It's like I haven't eaten anything. And I'm just craving snacks. I'm not craving food, which I think is not healthy. I think I should just have at least 2 biscuits that I baked yesterday. They did not come out good, that's why I did not show you guys. But yeah, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have 2 biscuits and some juice, and it's like cookies, biscuits, cookies, something like that. And then yeah, we're gonna eat snacks after that. Guys, you know, I'm trying to be very consistent and vlogging. I should have done vlogmas, but I'm like, my life is not interesting in December. Literally not interesting. But next year I'm definitely doing vlogmas again. I am doing vlogmas. Then I'm gonna go in with this. It's finishing here. Not really. This thing, yeah, get past me, so. I'm not gonna put the sunscreen because I think it's not okay anymore. I'm just gonna go in my mom's room to get some sunscreen. I got my nails done. Honey, I'm obsessed. You need to make sure that also moisturize the neck because your neck is part of your face. If I tell you that I'm even scared to go to the shop wearing this, I think I'm gonna change it. But it's gonna be some long work because I have my nails on. They're not that long, but I'm struggling to do most of the things. Yeah. Okay, this thing does not gonna come out, guys. It's not finished, trust me. Okay, if I do like this. Yeah, cool. This also lasted me for like 3 months. 3 months emerging. I really do last with skincare, hey? I do last. I'm even planning on using it for the entire month, for the whole of December. You know, I want to clean my spectacles, but I cannot find the thing. Okay, I'll be back. Where are my earrings? Where are my earrings? Where are my earrings? But no, I'm gonna put them when I'm doing TikToks. Wait. By the way, guys, this is my OOTD, hey? I call Nizobone. You see why I'm scared? So I might change. I'm gonna stay with this blindly. Okay, so I'm not gonna go out with this. I'm gonna change. So this is my gloss from Lanops. Yeah, this is my gloss from Lanops. I'm gonna put a lip liner when I'm shooting TikToks. Let's go get the sunscreen. First, let's close La Man's. Okay. Yeah, hopefully it's here, right? Hopefully it's here. Where am I gonna put this? Phone. Yeah. This is the sunscreen. I had this, but mine finished, ne? So I'm gonna take this. Landlini sonke we have skincare, you see. Sonke we have skincare. And then yeah, I used this also. I see a lot of people but it's not keketi. Mena, I used it, ne? And it did not do anything bad to me. Like, it was not breaking on my skin. It did nothing. It did not damage my skin. It did not help my skin. It just did nothing. You see? So we all have skincare. So yeah guys, and we all have lip liners. So yeah guys, it's basically that. Let me go change. Let me go see if I change. Let me go see if I add something. I love Remo, chef. I love Remo. I love Remo. I want to make some Christian TikTok videos about these verses here. So later. Hey guys, I did not change. I just made this thing to be like a skirt, to be longer, and then I'm gonna go with my bonnet because it's just here. These are my keys. I love this. I love this. And then I'm not gonna go with you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys here, and yeah, I'm gonna take the money. I have like 50 rand, so I think the snacks are gonna so yeah guys, just came back. I came back with my money and of course with my keys. So I guess this is a sign of I have to eat proper food. I have to stop craving snacks. I have to put actual food into my mouth, eh? Can I eat some, man? I'm fixing the dress so that y'all will not see the boobies. Oh yeah guys, I just came back. I look fresh, you know. So yeah, let me just go make food, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end like today's part here or what, but I think yeah, I'm tired of a camera.
Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona, emcimbini kulapho nthola khona, emcimbini kulapho nthola khona, emcimbini, emcimbini kulapho nthola khona, emcimbini.
I'm just gonna end the video today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video today, but now I'm having the oats, and then I'm not done, as you can see. Yeah, I'm not done with Bible study, so I'm just gonna eat now and watch some Christian videos.